Across the world, people have reported hearing a strange low-frequency hum, a deep vibration that seems to rise from the ground itself. It's constant, it's faint, and it can't be explained by earthquakes or volcanoes. Scientists call it the Earth's hum, a natural vibration that our planet makes on its own. Some believe it comes from the endless crashing of ocean waves. Others think it's caused by subtle movements deep within the crust. But the truth? No one really knows where it begins or why it never stops. If the Earth truly hums like it's alive, what else could it be trying to tell us? Comment what you think this sound really is. Science, mystery, or something beyond our understanding.